könnte mein letzter sein. Tsla mit dabei, Russ ist einmal mein. Stimmung ist fit so wie Derby, Merli. Dribbel durch so wie Van Persie, Emmy. Kanımız deli o belli, geldi. Burası dick, aber ich komm von der Straße, wo Kanaxen scharren. Das Haze an die Bahnhof wie Fahrkarten checken. Als Kind schon mehr Straße gewesen, als all deine Abis, die jetzt ihre Jahre verschwenden. Yine inandım lafına, yine girdin kanıma. Bir daha geldim kapına, beni benden aldın yanı başına. Ben elimi sana verdim, duramadım yine geldi. Bu da benim derdim, sen sev diye yine mi seveyim? Ben elimi sana verdim, duramadım yine geldi. Bu da benim derdim, sen sev diye yine mi seveyim? Ömrüm ne zaman bitecek bilmem ama bitecek elbet bir gün. Sen bana sık fark etmez, ben gelir atarım seni mezarına bin gül. Sevsem tam severim ama silsem arkamı bakmam giderim. Beni bilenler bilir Rabbimden tek huzur ve sadık dost dilerim. Hab mir gesehen als ich wollte und mehr getan als ich sollte. Anführer weil ich nicht folge, wenn ich will hol ich mir wieder ne Goldene. Kriminelle Welt, ja du weißt meine Hut brennt, immer wieder fragt meine Brüder. Hier geht es drunter und drüber, wenn du dran zweifelst, Digga komm rüber. Yine inandım lafına, yine girdin kanıma. Bir daha geldim kapına, beni benden aldın yanı başına. Ben elimi sana verdim, duramadım yine geldi. Bu da benim derdim, sen sev diye yine mi seveyim? Ben elimi sana verdim, duramadım yine geldi. Bu da benim derdim, sen sev diye yine mi seveyim?
You guys can hear me better? Let's see the microphone. Turn this music down. We got 7 minutes.
If I told you once, I told you twice. You can see it in my eyes. I'm all cried out with nothing to say. If I told you once, I told you twice. You can see it in
Don't worry about it. We will come back, check these, okay? I'm not started yet. We'll start exact 4 o'clock. We got 2 minutes. You can see that support area, right? Alright. They're in trouble. Alright, in the chat, can you guys write me if you can hear me good? Can you guys hear me pretty good? If you guys can hear me, please respond it. Alright. 4 o'clock. Yes. Let's start with this mess. It's the 50% of this candle, right? It's not coincidence. This is going to be my support area. Definitely. I'm not going to chase her. Not a bad zone, is it? But scary. We ripped it once. We declined it twice. Let's see what's going to happen if you're going to get a retracement tomorrow. This doesn't look that promising yet. We need a support around here. 5,600. Yeah. Wait for a base to build. If you look at shorter time, still nothing really promising, right? It still looks like she wants to come back around 5,600. That wouldn't be too bad of a mental area. There's no reason to chase it. Let's see what NQ is setting up to. You can tell. Oh yeah, look at that. NQ is always strong. Let's put them on 4 hours. Get rid of this target. Let's get rid of our short terms. Okay. Wow. Beautiful on the channel, huh? Yeah, Qs are still stronger, regardless. Yeah. This can be a nice base too, and another pop. Yeah. Wow, nice. Anybody playing futures, I'm sure liking Qs better than ES. You can see. Volume is trying to come in. And yeah, if you guys don't know me, I don't use any indicators, but volume and price. I know, it sounds stupid, but yeah. Of course, news matters, right? There's nothing I can do about news. If there's a news come, even if you're in support or resistance, it doesn't matter. It's going to react whatever the social media wants them to. because we've seen ERs that they are ripping, killing their earnings, and they are still losing, on this value-wise on the stock market. That doesn't make sense, I know. So it never knows. So we are just here to figure out what the probabilities are, not where we're gonna go tomorrow or right. So I know I get a lot of DMs like, Brock, I don't know what you're saying. Well, the point is, if this is our key area, right? If we open about here with the next confirmation candle cross, you'll put a stop loss here and you wait for this retest here, right? If you are short, you wait for the break below, retest, and when you cross it, you take the short, and this will be your stop loss and this will be your target, right? So, or wherever you're going to build your supporter, like I always say, copy paste will not work. You have to know. I will give you the entry, or whoever give you the entry you follow, but exit's going to be up to you. It's going to be your emotions. Some people like to take the 30% loss and wait, and it rips. And some people, right? So it's up to you. You have to make sure you find your support and resistance. Don't just copy paste the chart. It will play with your emotions and it will not work. Don't do copy paste. All right, let's start from this future C. Whoa, oils. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a great time for oil regardless. Silver was on watch, and I'm just watching right here. Let's see this chart. So, if anybody trades silver, silver looks like retesting and looking for a rip. And this played perfect for us. We did trade this, but it played right. So it gives us a lot of heart attack here, but we did trade this. So let's look at the gold. I think gold is going to be the same way. Yeah. Wow. I never trade gold, but I know a few friends of mine loves this. That's the area, but I will look for, if the bill doesn't build here, she's going to retest around here. You can tell a lot of exchange happened here. Yeah. I want to look at the minis same way. It's not going to matter. There you go. Yes, reactions are coming. Nice. All right. I always mention sectors. Right? Always follow the sectors. In the morning, pre-market, check your sectors and see which sectors are stronger. They will give you the direction. Let's make it easier on people. Good description. There you go. So finance will be on watch this week because we have bank earnings. We have JPM, Wells Fargo, and Citibank Friday. Okay. Wow. Look like I checked this. Look like it played out and pulled back. Didn't confirm the breakout. So if I delete all this, who gives a damn, right? You can see easily here double bottom, right? Look. I mean double top, I'm sorry. You can see a double top right here, right? So it's trying to find a support to retest the same area. I will put this here. Look. Oh, where we end up? Yeah, we end up in the penny right there. You can see this big candle. See this big candle? These are where the price is happening. Look where we are paused. 50% of this candle. 50% of this candle. It will give you direction tomorrow. Watching pre-market. If we have to channel this out, let me see if you can get this better. Let's see what we can channel it. We can channel or we can channel. I like my cushion areas. I like the build zones. See, this will be my resistance zone, right? Wow, this is tight. I will watch banks tomorrow, right away. Watch the volumes on the contracts. JPM, Wells Fargo, and Citibank. Let's go look at it. JPM. Wow, this is gonna pay. I know some people has longs on it, but we might get a nice entry on JPM tomorrow. Perfect W, huh? Wow. Watch JPM tomorrow. Okay, I want to clean this first. Let me see something here. Let me see this. Reuse this gap as a something zone. Change the color so you don't miss a support. So visual is always good. You have to have a visual. We like having visual, right? We depend on visual. I do, right? It's gonna make sense, don't worry. Okay. So this is what we're looking for. Alright, we'll look at it in the morning, okay? That's what we're looking for tomorrow. If this area holds, this is what's going to happen, okay? So we'll be looking for that. Watch this buyer zone in this number, 205. We'll long for 210. It'll be cheaper for next week, 19th. But let me look at the contracts before we talk too much. Okay, JPM 19th. We don't need to play this week, right? You're not that crazy. So, 210s, yeah. 210s definitely is nice looking. Yeah, I like 210s. I'm gonna write JPM 210s for 19th to look for tomorrow. Here it is. First play we will look for. Let's see if Wells Fargo gonna give us anything. Oh! Oh, you sexy. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna watch Wells Fargo. I'm gonna look at Wells Fargo contracts. Whew. Wells Fargo, where are you? Okay, Wells Fargo. It's gonna be next week's, and I can get. Okay, 19th, Wells Fargo. Wow. 60s, very heavy. 60 calls, so everybody already start loading on them. 60s, 62 50s. So the contracts I will look in will be 60s and 62 50s. 60s, 62 50s. Okay. Okay. Citibank. Oh my goodness, Citibank. Small pullback and rip. I'll watch Citibank tomorrow. Let's see what Citibank gonna do. So this will be the weeklies we're gonna watch, right? If the volume comes in, I share what I play anyway, so or what I'm gonna play. So it'll be on. You guys gonna have a heads up, don't worry. And I will make sure I'll let you usually update which ones I'm watching it open. Citibank 65 calls are very heavy. Citibank 65. These are all for 19th, not for this week. 19th July. 65s. Damn it. I wish wish I look at these Friday. Not Friday. What is today? Whatever. All right, let's go back to our suspects. Energy's probably gonna be start popping, but I don't trade energy. Don't do it. We need stocks that move. Technology, we know what that is, right? You can see it right here. She's already trying to push out. She's already going all times. She's already doing her thing. God, yeah. I'm not scared about tech. We are advancing every day, so, and they are not going to slow down. So they will have pullbacks, of course, but they're not slowing down. This is and I advise you all to watch healthcare. And a lot of people are getting sick, right? I keep telling on my Discord, with my, the Discord I work and all that. I'm telling you, this is healthcare need to be on watch. mRNA need to be on watch. They're gonna pay. I used to love PFE, but my mind getting switched to mRNA. Wow. Yeah, mRNA. There she is. Let's look at this. mRNA, everybody's baby. Let's see. Let's look at 19th. There's earnings on 1st August. Ooh, okay. We're gonna look at 19th July 1st. See if there's any place coming this week. They're already running, so maybe 145 and 150 calls. Let's write it down. mRNA, 19th July, 145, 150s. I will be looking at it. All right, let's go to our daily trades. Okay, these were what I'll be watching for the big moves. Bunch of try to get into swings too, so that's what I'm trying working on. All right, let's see our watch list for. We got a lot, right? I always do. Nvidia. Oh, there it is. The plan is here on Nvidia, so yeah. As long as 125.38 holds, right? The key areas. And 50% of this candle will be my stop loss, right? I have to figure out. I just come up here, get the bottom of this. It's about 124.81. So it's a very tight stop. The range is great though. If I make a mistake and take the long side and this is going down, there will be my stop loss, of course. But if you catch the short, it's going to pay still a $4 move. So it's not a bad range. If this breaks above, yeah, she's going for 135. 130, of course, first and 135. But Nvidia pays, you guys know, and it pays fast. And don't wait for it all the time, 100%, 200%. Look at the percentages. Don't look at the money, right? That's how you're going to compound it. Because somebody put in $100,000 and you put $1,000, you might wait for 100%, but that 5% is going to make that 100,000, right? The trader's day, 5K that day is done, right? It takes a 10% is 100K. I mean 10K, and you get 10K. You put $1,000, you make $100. You don't like it, but you have to look at it the other way. So that's why make sure to look at the percentage you are gaining. Don't worry about the money. till you hit the biggest money, right? Don't worry, you will have runners on some point that is gonna hit 1,000% and start building it, and that's how you're gonna compound. Unless you're gonna come up here 50K and you're gonna try to learn how to trade and gamble and lose it all. So start small, start building yourself, build your emotions. Because even if you got 100,000 in your bank account, if you have not trade, once you put that 100K or whatever you put, even if you put a 5K, I can tell you right now, that shit pulls back 20%, you're gonna have a heart attack because you are not used to it, you are not built to it. So that's why I say build emotions. The emotion is gonna come with the money, the amount of money you put. How are you gonna learn? When you go into trade, if you start feeling very nervous and your hands are shaking, that means you are oversizing. Period. Oversizing is the biggest enemy. Oversizing. If you oversize yourself, you're not going to be confident. I've been there, done it, and I'm still doing it sometime. And I get nervous and I say, shit, this is the rule I broke. I had to work on it. Right? So the best thing you can do, you have to invest in yourself first. You need to know what is your weakness. You have to have a notepad. I'm sorry, this might sound very weird to the new generation. Okay, have an iPad. I have an iPad, but I have a notepad. I like to write things. I like to see what I wrote and go back and ask the question, why the hell I'm going to do this, right? So in the morning, when I wake up, I watch the pre-market, futures, and the sectors. Then I start settle. All right, Nvidia, our first one. Let's go to our second one. Where is my Tesla? I don't know how to trade it anymore. My goal is, it was 250, right? Was the first we wanted. Now, yeah, I know. Now I want 300. So it won't get there right away. But if you look at the social media, even the Elon's attitude, everything is going his way. He's getting the money he wants. The numbers are hitting. He downsized, but it helped him on the long run, right? Now he start hiring for some things that total different, but it's gonna be good with Tesla. Okay, so I have hope. I'm gonna be watching it tomorrow. I don't trade on hope. I'm sorry, I said hope, but I like Tesla. That's why sometimes it get to my emotions. So anyway, so tomorrow, let's zoom in. I always do it in the morning, but let's try to see what we got. It's gonna be hard to tell because market, right? See what is it build here? Ready? Alright, let's get this out of the way. What does this look like to you? Always the same shit, isn't it? Yeah, always the same shapes. Shapes are always same. Breaks. Or you can get the same thing in backwards. That's what I showed you earlier. You can get a reversal out of that, right? It's always backwards. So what it is, right? It's trying to come up, can break, come up, can break. So it comes in here, shows everybody, and lose. Or comes up here, builds a support, rips. Okay? I know. This is just the first day. We'll do this every week. Slowly, you guys get to see what all these pro traders or these people who like to follow do see. There's no like a shortcut. You gotta keep working at it. Keep working at it. This is a basic trend. Now it's just cooking, showing high, and rip. Right. So we'll see what it plays. I will dial in the entries for tomorrow, okay? In the pre-market. You can see right there, it's just trying to base up. Okay? 250 is what we're looking for, right? You gotta stay above 250 to be positive. 250 is our area. You're gonna get it, don't worry. You're gonna get it. Hell yeah. I wonder if Bank of America is gonna be any fun. Let's see. Let's see what range she got. Oh, she might play tomorrow. See that channel? She might play. She might give us a drop here. Yeah, I know. I mustn't supposed to look at Pfizer, but I love Pfizer. I traded and I made 100% easy, but I'll watch Pfizer tomorrow too. mRNA pays better, but PFP when it rips, it's good money. And you can see that what she's trying to do. She's trying to break that up. So got a price correction here. You can see that shorts didn't like that, and the bulls took their profit. That's why it pulls back and ripped down. But see, this line is holding. This line hold here, still holding here, and pushing them up. Right? So as long as this, let's change this color of the line. She holds. Not a bad area. Look for 28 to hold. Wow. It's hard not to love it. Uber. I watch Uber a lot because I blew Uber and Tesla. Look at this one. Right? She's trying. She can't break, short it. Right? She wants 70. She want to hold the 70. That's what our number is. She want to hold 70 and hit the 75.80. That's what the goal is. The 70 has to hold. Just keep simple numbers. Don't go for the 22 and a 5. If you see this 69, 86, whatever my number, go 70. You don't have to take it there. I don't take it there, right? Or I do. It don't matter. Make sure you create the emotion you feel that is not going to get you nervous. When if this fall here, you might sell. I might add. Because I might see something different than you are, right? Right? There's a support. You can tell the sellers didn't want to, buyers didn't want to give up here. So, right? So if she pulls here and it be around the channel, it doesn't work on a coincidence. That's how it works. That's what computer sees, the price. And reacts. That's it. I mean, don't think there's guys out there screaming to trade, right? You guys know everything is done by computer now. So there's nobody there on those holes or screaming. All right. Let's go for Baba. China market. I suck, but a lot of people I know trade very well and look like, holy shit. Watch Baba tomorrow. Oh my God. There it is. Right? Sways. Comes. And Baba being beat. I like Baba Christmas time. UPS, Baba, airlines, shipping companies, right? You guys know what I'm saying. We are getting close. Not there yet, but we're getting close. Nobody likes Disney, but I want to look at Meta first. Meta is the champion. Meta paid really well for us. Really well. Especially those 530 calls that I've been screaming for 2 weeks. Pay really, really well. Where is Meta going? 550. That's going to be our next one. Unless we get a first pullback 530, but she's not slowing down. Zuckerberg is not. He's a very smart man, you guys like it or not. So Meta is good. I wouldn't chase it. Let us give us entries, and if you get a scalp idea, we will. Right now, nothing. Right? I mean, again, lotto 550 at open if you want. Not right open, right? 550, that's what everybody's gonna look for. Let's look at this fucking volume on this thing. Sorry, my cursor off. Okay, let's check Meta real quick. Let me see what I see on the volumes. Okay, Meta. Meta 540 is very heavy. 550s are not. It's heavy, but it's not that many. That crazy. But yeah, 540s are extremely bullish right now. But again, 19 July is already up 30%. Do you want to chase it yet? I'll wait for a little bit of pullback. This is too high, right? There's no reason to be somebody's liquidity. And open, I usually wait 5 minutes. I mean, I trade, but I don't share right away. And if I do, I say this is a pure lotto. Chase it if you're going to chase it, but don't stay in it. Get the 30%, 20% rush and sell everything. Leave one if you want. If you are heavy, just leave one and let it do what it's going to do. Just put a 40% stop loss. Who cares? You already made 30% on the heavy side, right? That's how I risk manage. If you have more than 5-6 contract, right? Just drop your 3/4 and let the other quarter, or just drop 90% and 98% and leave 2, right? You got 10 contracts, just drop 8, leave 2, then drop 1 at a time. But meta is crazy. I mean, 540s are so close. So let's see. Other baby, what we got? Disney. Nobody likes Mickey. I don't know what's going on with Mickey, but nobody likes Mickey. Mickey's been in the downside, struggling, not breaking what she's supposed to, just struggling. Yeah, nobody likes Mickey. Mickey need to go about 100 to be interesting, I think. I don't think people like it when things are very cheap and we don't do no reaction. About 95, between 100 is nothing happening, right? She's stuck between 97 and 99 just for several. So we're going to wait. Let's see on the 4 hour what she's going to give. Yeah. So if you want to take a short term, right? Watch. Create a cushion. When you shorter time it, you will have a scalp. Every time she touches here, shows a reaction. Every time touch the 50% line, she shows a reaction. Every time comes to the line, she shows a reaction. Right? You guys get it? So you use this zone as your entries and exits. Right? You don't know where she's going to go. I'm just drawing. Right? So if she goes down, don't chase this. Let her come back. Cross it. This is where you enter. Right? You enter here, there's no confirmation. She can come back right away. Right? Don't chase. Chasing is what is get you freaking cold. If somebody posts, this is a YOLO, LOTO, FOMO, whatever you guys call them, don't do it. Don't do it. Because you don't know the plan, right? Look at this. Let's build a cushion. Ready? Pull it down. Turn it this red. There is your resistance. People like visual. She came down, hit the 50%. Couldn't break above. Washed. That's nice. Wow. All right, I talked about EV, right? I don't know if you guys trade this with us back in time, long time ago when NEO was NEO. I will watch NEO. NEO is not doing bad. I know it's in China market. Once everything changes, if we get NEO over here, I mean, this thing will be next Tesla, I can guarantee you. Because the vehicles are unreal. The vehicles are unreal. It's not just the vehicles. These guys are swapping batteries instead of charging. What? Right? Yeah, that's what I said. You just go there and they drop the battery, just like swap it, like an automatic thing. So their FSD is great. Their battery life is great. But it's not here, right? So I like NEO. I'll watch it, even if just for shares, man. Just buy a freaking 10 shares. If this shit goes $200 in 5 years, you made still good money, right? That's called investing too. I like NEO. I think there was another one. Lee, maybe? Yes. Li, Lee. This is a good one too. When you guys remember when the Chinese tariffs, whatever, everything came with the government and we don't want them no more, this is they start struggling. But I think these things gonna change. I think we are gonna open up. I think we need to open up. If you want to grow, we need to open up to the international market. We need to allow it to come in. Wow, this is a good chart. I like it. Yeah, I will watch Neo and Li for sure for EV market. It's not a bad setup here, guys. Retest 5. And you guys know those contracts freaking pump. Let's see, guys. Let's look at Neo. We don't want to get nobody's hopes up, but let's see what the volume is on the next week. Next week, I said 19th. I'm saying because it's monthlies. Oh. Well, we might be a little late. Maybe a little late, but not. Wow. 5, 5.5, 6, and 7 contracts. Is very, very heavy, bullish. 5, 5.5, 6, and 7. Very heavy. Don't fall for a 6.5 call outs. Okay? Don't be somebody's liquidity. Look at volumes. Okay? So 5, 5.5, 6, and 7. Don't be somebody's liquidity. Yeah. Wow, Neo. I know. Let's do BA. I hate them suckers. They gotta do something, right? I don't know why I drew that red thing. It looked like I got mad at somebody. Yeah, well, if you look at it, I know why I drew it, right? Because you can see what she's trying to build again. It's always the same shape, guys. I'm serious, right? So what I'm trying to say, if she breaks, right? She's gonna break this line. When the retest comes, this is what happens, right? Retest happens usually right around the line. So we'll be waiting for this come up and doing this and hopefully get the breakout, right? Does it make sense? That's for the bull side, right? We are not bull and bearish or whatever. We just make the probability chances. She can come up here and wash down here in a one news, because BA is nothing but a news feed right now, and they usually get news every day. I mean, they usually get somebody fly out of the plane, or the plane couldn't land, or some kind of bullshit. One tire bolt was loose, and they lose almost 5-10% value just that quick. I mean, I don't know what happened here. I'm sure a door opened. Then they find out the door wasn't bad, and it goes up. That's how the market works. Sorry. Okay, so BA, we need 190, right? So about 186, you can scalp 4 points. 185 is scary. If you look at 185, right, it's not the key. Look for this clearance here. This will hurt you. This will play this area and eat you up and rip. Then you'll be out already. Wait for 186. You don't have to push it. But BA, you guys know how BA run, right? Early mornings are freaking crazy. So watch for open if you're going to trade BA. Home Depot, I won't trade him. It's really expensive. Only way I trade him if it's long swings and I suck on swings, unless I follow somebody. I will, but look at where she is, right? On the scalp idea, the spreads are so wide. That's why I'm usually scared to share it. But it's following that trend, right? It put higher high. See the channel, so you can see this is the channels following, right? Going right here. So it's literally, right? Don't look at between, right? This is your W. Second test, ripped. Come down. Look where did it ended up. 50% range on the gap. Yeah, Home Depot is great. It's just it's a high. You gotta put $400-500 per contract minimum usually, and I don't know. It's up to you all. I know there's a lot of smaller accounts here. I'm sure. Guessing about $1,000 is good money to start, or $500, whatever you do. But you have to keep that risk very minimal, right? I know. Or if you're gonna make big, you just have to take your YOLOs all the time, lottos all the time, right? Once you hit that certain trash money, you are making it. Okay. Nflx, very expensive. She's a very great company. I started like everybody else, $4.99. Go to a CD machine or something. Now we're paying $29.99, and nobody canceling it. Nobody. So Nflx is a great investment company, not a trade, if you ask me. Okay. If you're gonna invest it, you buy lips or you buy shares, and I don't know if anybody want to buy a damn share for $700. So just wait for the NIF split, probably on 750. Oops. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. 750 will be a split if they are not going to shoot 4,000, and I think 750 will be a great split. Okay, Costco. Don't trade it. This is a great company to invest. Okay, these are the companies you need to buy leaps and never look back. Why? Here it is. Look at this weekly. I mean, right? Look at the breakout points. If you bought this company when it was $320, $380, you almost made 2.5% just buying share. If you bought a leap, God, I don't know. Right? So don't chase these companies that already ran and established. That doesn't mean we don't need to trade them at all. You can scalp it if you want to scalp it, but it's going to be high. But why not wait this company go hit $1,000 and do 10-to-1 split and start from $100 and start buying shares and leaps, right? There you go. I don't know. I'm just guessing. I'm not saying that they're going to split when it's $1,000. They may never split, right? But that will help them as a company and their employees actually, right? They will have more shares to hold it in their retirement. That'd be very smart. Okay. Nobody tried all the time anymore. Nike's been on speech a lot. We've been talking about it a lot. Look where Nike is. I was gonna keep this to myself, but anyway. Charo, is there you been keep writing that stuff? Go to sleep. God. I'm not gonna even pay attention what she says. I know she's here for one reason. Wow, I like Nike. Anybody bought it? Look at that, 75 above. I'll look for a long. Damn, Nike's cheap. Where's my buddy Nike? Damn, Nike's cheap, man. So stop typing. I will curse you. Look at this gap. Don't talk shit. You telling me you're not going to trade this gap tomorrow? Huh? You're not going to trade this gap tomorrow? This money pit? Let me see if I can find dollar signs. Money. I can't find nothing about money. Here, I'll put I. I think this is fair. Hey Nick, love you, buddy. All right, let's do AMD. Let's do AMD. Why do I have all these charts? Let's delete it. Let's do it again. I like this price section here. Yeah, baby. shit. Wow. Is the same one? Yeah. There you go. Here's your resistance. Oh my god. About 172.72. I'm long. Below? No. Okay. Let's see. One 175, 180, 185. Holy shit. Yeah. AMD, I'll meet you. Greg, did he swing already? Fuck. Yeah. I do 175, 180, 220. Holy shit, 200. Damn, man. You're just waking me up to AMD. I was only looking at media. I mean, there's so many opportunities tomorrow. Y'all can pick a lot of them out of here, for sure. AMD, 19 July. Damn, 175. I like 180s. I'm going to do 180s. Yeah, fuck it. I'm going to do 180s. I will watch it open, see how does it react. I'll wait for a little pullback. 180s and go to... Yeah, I'm gonna look at August 16. August 16. Let's see. They are already around too, Greg. I don't know if you're high up on them, but I mean the 250s even ran 100%. 250s ran 108% already. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Yeah. Yeah, 200s are good on August 16. Yeah. If it gets a pullback, I'll jump in with you. 16 August. Alright. Let's look at Nvidia then. You know she's gonna react. Yeah. It's good, man. I think Nvidia and AMD we are on the right side. Let's look at Intel. She got beat long time. There you go. She's getting in that resistance area. Is this the gap for daily? Yeah. Here it is. There's another one. Above 32. She's gonna go. By the 35s. Let's see what we got in Intel. Damn, Intel 35s are loaded on 19 July. I will be dialing in these in the morning, so don't go crazy. I'm taking notes, so I'm not like lazy like Charu. Okay. I think I'm gonna look at 40s. Maybe 40s in a longer time, which is August. Let's look at August. Wow. August is 35s. Okay, Intel, Volt, 35. July and August is heavy. Okay, guys. What else we got? What about Pan W? You think Grandma got out of the play already? I think she played for this gap and she got what she wanted. Right? She played this gap. She's smart. She's a gap player. She got it right here somewhere. We're on a 50% retracement, so. Yeah. Let's see. If they love you, it's to me, love you too, Greg. If it is Charo, to Charo, watch your mouth. Yeah, I like that. This is where grandma sells all this, so I'm still waiting for that, right? So we'll see. Pan W on my watch. I do scalp it, so I catch. Yeah, man. Let's look at Pan W. Maybe we can scalp it tomorrow. Maybe we can catch something in the morning. Let's see. Don't guess. I don't like same day, right? I'm telling you all the time. Even if I do get it, I wouldn't want you'll get it. Let's look at 350s. Okay, but I like 360s. The volume on 360 has a better volume. And where is the target? 360.01. Yeah, 360 is a pretty good target. It's not that heavy. Let's look at August. I think that's where the money was on this one, right? I think it was loaded on August. Let me check it real quick. No, same. So if we scalp it tomorrow, we can do dailies on the two. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. We'll check it in the morning. Panda will be scary. No, let me check Rivian. Yeah, EV. Yeah, I know. I did chart it, but I didn't look at it. I need about 15 for Rivian. Yeah, Rivian has to be about 15. This is where action is happening, and you see why the rejections just keep coming. So about 15.34, still scary. Range is pretty good, $5. Let's look at the volume. Okay. Yeah, the 25 says a lot of volume on 19 July, Greg. Yeah, 25 and 30 is the highest volume right now on the 19th July in review. Let me check my flow. Yeah, let's look at the pre-market. It looked like I'm an EV market, right? So they're probably going to get the move. Last thing I have is pullback. I have a lot of buy puts. Yeah, there's a few buy puts came in. 7.3 and 7.3 is the last print I got. So, and there was 12.50. Where is she at? 12. Yeah, we might get a little pullback first, which is right here, dude. 12.50. Retest the bottom again. Wow. Yeah, there's a 2.13 million worth 12.50 buy puts dated for which is January 16. They leaped it longer time. Yeah. CrowdStrike. Oh my goodness. this whole time I already. Oh yeah. Fuck. Why you want me to tell you, Greg? It's gonna go to 400. Yeah. This. Yeah. This thing is. Yeah. She's gone. I don't know what to say. I don't like when it's already ripped and gone. I will look for this, and you know what I'm gonna look for. I'll take this. I will look for a retest or a fell out of this thing, or a refill the gap and rip. That'd be the only way I can trade it. For, yeah, I mean, look at that. She's ready to do her thing, I guess. Is she pay any here? Yeah, I like Neo. I really do. Neo is a good setup. Out of that smaller EV companies. I mean, decision will come from the pre-market. So that's why I said even buying a share might even help. This is a pretty good lookout here. I mean, shoot, this breaks that. It's a pretty good range. Walmart. She done it. I know. She done our what we think she was gonna do. Oops. I don't know what that says. This is a bull idea, yeah. Yeah, we were bull, but we win. Right? Same shape. Is that either pitched or ripped? Here it is, Microsoft. Don't chase it. She's just gonna be like Google, not gonna slow down. Just like Meta, not gonna slow down. Google, not gonna slow down. They are going. Don't chase those. Look, nothing chasing here because it's gonna go. Just buy along and do your thing. Oh, look at this shit. I don't chase him all the way up here. Alright, let's look at the S before I go. No action. Really nothing. I don't wanna guess anything right now. I like to see this around here first. Then we'll have a nice print. I like looking left, right? The joke, but it's looking left is always better because you have a data. There's no data here. So I like this to come down and give me some right areas that where I can scalp it long or short, whatever I want to take. But right now, we can yo. No, I'm not going to. If you look around here, what do you see? That's not even there. It's where it's supposed to be. This is where your area, and this 50%. There's no confirmation about anything yet. It's gonna eat your money. About 3 minutes, we're gonna get a direction. So let's wait 3 minutes. What is AQ doing? AQ is still stronger than fucking. I still like AQ. Look at the volume. Oh my god, who was that? Wow. What is our Bitcoin doing? Ooh, she's struggling too. She might be getting to 50,000 mark. Let's make it a little bit more optimistic. There will be the stop loss if I was trading on a regular, tick or whatever, right? I will wait till come down, retest it. That's how I'll get it. Oh my god. Alright, let's look at the S. It's about to open a new candle. Let's see where we open. No action. Rip, baby. Do something. Let's wait on 5 minutes, see what she's doing. Below that will be confirmation short. Look at this here. Good God. This is lining up here. Yeah. Here's a short idea here. Nice. Alright guys, you guys have any tickers you want me to look? Alright. I think we got it all. I don't think we left any babies behind. Except Apple, right? Holy shit. There's the reason I didn't touch Apple. Apple, Google, Microsoft, Meta, they keep going. 250. My target Apple is 250 right now, so. And that is, yes, I will be chasing Apple regardless. I will be trading Apple, so. Here's a GameStop. I know some maybe wants to look at it, but this, PLTR, they're gonna rip. The more contract and government thing we hear, they will be always there. I will look for Palantir tomorrow too. Look at this area, right? 27 above, she's gonna rip. The 30 calls will be hot, I'm sure. Let me look at Palantir. I bet you they're hot already. Man, they already run. I wouldn't touch them. Holy shit. 30 calls already run 200% for 19th July. And there's a lot of volumes on them. 30 and 40s for July 19. Damn. TLT. Okay, I will check it. Charo wants SQ. Oh. TLT. TLT. Ooh. The trend is not bad. Right? The trend is not bad. Look at the 50%, right? 94. And I don't like it. I like it here actually. What is this? 93. 9303. Yeah. There is the mark. That's a good entry area. Use it as a key area. Because every time hitting the trend line, it's just popping up, right? So, and now you're in the 50% area. They always leave it on the key area, but I know. I like this pattern. So it's just hitting it, rips, and just follows, and fades, and comes back. Either confirmation, this will be either confirmation for a fell through, right? Go below, match this, right? Or that's the bearish look, right? I'll give you the bullish look. So you have to clear this for your runners. I will take it here for a retest if it ever gives back, right? The range is not too bad. They're both same actually, almost on the swing side. So maybe good to see you, brother. Wow. So you can see where the price action is, right? I like this bottom here. Yeah, definitely. Let's see where the 50% ends up. There you go. Here it is. Support the trend. Breakout is 66.50. Yeah. Nice. What is coming? Earnings? Nope. Ooh. Let's see what we got on the volumes. Shadow, I don't like it yet. I know you do probably. No, I don't like SQ. I know you do probably. I don't like SQ. I don't like the volume on SQ. Unless there's a news gonna come up. Now is this a good sign? Yeah. No. Yeah, I like that. No, I'm not dealing with SQ. I'm crazy. We got so many. Why are we dealing with SQ? We'll talk about that. How about our Chewy? Huh? I know. About 25. Chewy is gonna go. Chewy is gonna go. If you're not in it, you have a chance now to get in around here. But this is pure lotto, right? So, all right. Make sure you don't put your hard-earned money on any of this shit. Snowflake, she's not stopping, so I'm looking for Snowflake. I missed the entry. I know somebody's killing these 120s. Snowflake. She breaks this, she's gonna rip about 150. She's gonna go. Yeah. Scalp till about 140. You can scalp longs, but below that I wouldn't. She can get the reversal and retest here to go up, so I would wait. I would wait to 140 confirmation for the directional, so I wouldn't take it if it's not. But I like Snowflake. There it is. Our oil place. I mean, not oil place. You know what I mean. Mara place. I like it. I know we'll look for this. This gap fill was a perfect play from open. Look about, she has to break about 20 to worth anything. About 20 will worth something. Yeah, till then, no. Mara. Alright guys, I do appreciate you all. If this is beneficial, I will keep doing every Sunday here. Oh, Pan W, I did it, but I'll show it here. The chart again before I go. Yeah, Pan W is a good play. 360s, pretty good loaded, so I'll watch this 341, 342, right? Let's see right there. About 344, 345. It's nice if you are not already in it. Because you can see what it's doing here, right? Just eating everybody's premiums, pulling back and ripping. So wait till confirmation about this area, right? Anything about this area, you are good. Make sure you get confirmation and put your stop loss so you don't lose much. Just keep it tight. But the way it moves below here, your stop loss has to be very wide. I'm gonna look at this from 340 to 330. I don't think any stop loss will hold that. That's fucking move. So be careful. Thank you guys. Love you all.